Is this power saver the best choice? Electricity costs are rising year after year, and consumers are always looking for easy ways to reduce their bills. Enter the EcoWatt Power Saver, a plug-in device that claims to stabilize your home's electrical current, reduce fluctuations, protect appliances, and most importantly, lower your electricity bills. The concept sounds simple. Plug it into an outlet, leave it running, and watch the savings roll in. But is it really that simple? Let's take a closer look. The device is marketed as a small, compact unit you can plug into an outlet near your breaker panel or in a central location in your home. According to its claims, it helps smooth out uneven electrical loads, optimizes power factor, and reduces wasted energy, creating a more stable flow of electricity for all connected appliances. Many users are drawn to this promise because the idea of effortless savings is appealing, especially in households with older wiring or high electricity consumption. Initial impressions of the device are positive. It is compact, lightweight, and very easy to install. You simply plug it in and leave it, with no complicated setup or technical knowledge required. Some users report perceiving smoother appliance performance, fewer small voltage fluctuations, and even minor decreases in their monthly bills. These experiences, however, are subjective and vary depending on the type of home wiring, the appliances used, and individual energy consumption patterns. When we examine the technical side, it's important to understand that while voltage stabilization and power factor correction are real concepts used in industrial and commercial settings, residential electricity billing usually does not account for inefficiencies that devices like EcoWatt claim to fix. This means that even if the device adjusts reactive power or stabilizes minor fluctuations, it may not result in measurable reductions in your electricity bill. Independent testing confirming these energy savings is not publicly available, and results can be inconsistent from home to home. Safety is another key consideration. Devices that connect directly to your home wiring should ideally carry certifications like UL or CE, which confirm that they meet recognized electrical safety standards. Public information does not clearly indicate that EcoWatt Power Saver holds these certifications, which means verification of both safety and performance is harder. While the device is generally considered low risk in operation, cautious users should always pair any plug-in gadget with proper surge protection and avoid placing it in areas prone to moisture or extreme heat. Customer feedback is mixed. On the positive side, some homeowners report that the device blends seamlessly into daily life, is maintenance-free, and gives a subjective sense of more stable electricity. Others, however, notice no measurable impact on their bills or appliance performance. The variance in experiences suggests that while the device physically exists and may have minor effects, it is not a guaranteed solution for energy savings. Buyers should approach it as a convenience accessory rather than a proven bill reduction tool. In addition to energy claims, the marketing highlights potential protection for sensitive electronics. While it is true that devices with capacitors and stabilizing components can reduce minor surges or spikes, this effect is not a replacement for a proper surge protector or whole-home electrical safeguards. Real protection for expensive appliances requires a certified device designed for that specific purpose. So, is EcoWatt Power Saver the best choice for lowering electricity bills in 2026? The honest answer is nuanced. The device is legitimate, easy to use, and some users do perceive benefits. But it comes with no strong independent evidence that it consistently lowers your bills or meaningfully improves power stability. If you decide to try it, go in with realistic expectations. Consider it a low-effort supplemental tool that may provide minor improvements, but do not rely on it as your primary energy-saving solution. For those serious about reducing electricity costs, the most effective strategies remain upgrading appliances to energy-efficient models, improving home insulation, adjusting consumption habits, and using smart thermostats or programmable timers. EcoWatt Power Saver may complement these approaches, but it is not a replacement for proven energy-saving practices. If this review helped you understand what EcoWatt Power Saver can and cannot do, leave a like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share your experiences in the comments. Being informed is the best way to make smart choices in 2026. Stay safe Stay efficient and always research before trusting marketing claims about your home's energy.